Hey everyone, what's going on? Ben here, Spotter Jetting. We have an unboxing to do today. I just got a very large shipment in from Amazon and we're going to open up see what we got. But before we do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Let's see what we got coming. I will give you a hint. It goes along with the theme that we've had in the past few days and the last week. This is all in response to the Dureco that happened earlier or last week. So this is not mine actually. So we're going to skip on that. To be quite honest, I'm sure if this is mine. I might have ordered something under Bluebird. Alright, but this one is definitely mine. Right here. So we're going to unbox the unbox. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell, you'll know when something goes new. Goes live. I got boxing peanuts. Jumbo, okay, let's not lie. More than that. Alright. The little power plug. Oh, like the other two things are mine. Plugs into a car lighter or cigarette lighter. These little plugs on the end. It's a hint at what this could be for. Underneath. Feels very, very official. Try to tip you down. Try to see what I'm doing here. My tripod is not the best, but we will give it our all. Okay, never mind. We're gonna go back to the face. I know it's in this and I don't want to cut it. For all you ham aficionados, you will know what this is. And if you don't know what this is, all you ham aficionados, tell us in the link below. Or in the description, in the comments below. Now, if you are involved with ham at all, especially the mobile ham, you already know what's coming. My new mobile radio. This is a 25 watt Retrovis mobile radio. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I want to make sure. Okay. I'm going to turn the camera around. Yeah, I want to go wide. There we go. The instruction manual, which unlike the Baofeng, I actually am going to keep a hold of. my new radio. Get that out of here in a second. The mic. And the wiring that will go to my battery. I'm hoping I have enough. And of course, the mounting bracket. So let's flip you back around. Excuse the mess, this table is kind of messy right now. Put the mounting bracket and the screws back in there. Oh, by the way, if you're ever up in Forest City, Iowa, need a place to camp, Three Fingers Campground. Not a sponsor, it's just I know a lot of people that camp up there. So, this is the Retrobus RT95 radio. If you want a full review on it, there's a million of them out there. I chose this radio for my mobile because we have a guy in my ham club that has one, and he can talk to me on a quarter wave antenna up to 40 miles away. About 40 miles away. So, I have a half wave antenna I'm tying this into. I can't wait to see the distance I can get on 25 watts. Yeah, I just said this is a 25 watt VHF, UHF radio. Small display screen. I'm going to get it installed today into my mobile, and then we'll do a mobile review again. But yeah, that's been your unboxing of the Retrobus RT95 mobile dual band radio, and can't wait to show it to you guys when I get it in the rig. So until then, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next video.